Hello and good evening, teachers, my fellow classmates, and everybody. I am Haziq from Form 1 Hamza, study at Mara Junior Science College, Felda. I was tasked to create a vlog about sexual reproduction of plants. So, for today, my vlog began. Hope everybody enjoy my vlog. First of all, I will explain the definition of sexual reproduction. Sexual reproduction is the process in which new organisms are created by combining the genetic information from two individuals of different sexes. The genetic information is carried on chromosomes within the nucleus of specialized sex cells called gametes. Next, what is sexual reproduction in biology? Sexual reproduction is a mode of reproduction involving the fusion of haploid female gamete, egg cell, and haploid male gamete, sperm cell. Two major types of sexual reproduction are syngamy and conjugation. Hope everybody clear about the parts of the flower. Now, I will explain the steps in sexual reproduction in plants. 6 steps to sexual reproduction in plants. First step, pollination. Pollen is transferred from a stamen to a stigma. The stamen is the male organ in a flowering plant and the stigma is the female part. Pollination can be divided into two parts, which is insect pollination and wind pollination. First, insect pollination. Do you know if your favorite flower is pollinated by a butterfly or a bee? Flowers that are pollinated by insects have special characteristics that attract bees, butterfly, moths, and other flying insects, which is sweet nectar, bright, colorful petals, large, sticky pollen. Stigma stays inside the flower petals. Why insect pollination occurs with these plants? Because of sweet-smelling nectar and bright colors attract the insect. Sticky pollen clings to their legs and abdomen and is then carried to another plant. The petals protect the stigma from the wind. Second, wind pollination. It is not just your hair that is blown by a morning breeze. The flower in your garden may be pollinated by wind. Flowers that are pollinated by the wind have a different set of characteristics, which is no nectar or scent, small, smooth pollen, small petals. The stigma grows outside to the top of the flower. Why these qualities make it easier for the wind to spread the pollen? Because of small, light piece of pollen will be carried on a breeze. Smaller petals are not as protective from the wind as large, folding petals. The stigma peaks outside the top of the flower. Hope everybody understand the pollination are either by insects or wind. Second step of sexual reproduction in plant is growth of pollen tube. A pollen tube develops to carry the pollen downward. Pollen travels from the stigma down the style and into the ovule of the plant. Gamete pollen unites with a female gamete ovule to form a seed. The seed are the embryo of the plant. Third step, fertilization. The male gamete pollen unites with a female gamete ovule to form a seed. The seed are the embryo of the plant. Fourth step, fruit formation. The ovary ripens and forms a fruit. The fruit may contain a single seed or multiple seeds. Fifth step, seed dispersal. The fruit is carried away from the parent plant by wind, animal, or expulsion. Sixth step, germination. If the seed is embedded in the right kind of soil, it will germinate. A new plant grows out of the seed. The stem reaches upward, and roots go downward into the soil. That's the briefly explained about the 6 steps of the plant sexual reproduction. Hope everybody have a clue how the fruit being produced. So, that's all I have for this short video explanation of sexual reproduction in plants. See you again in the next video. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoy. See you.